So this is my new laptop. I'm getting a laptop after a very long time. The last laptop I bought was a Chromebook. So let's not talk about it. And yeah, I will be using this for my computer science engineering, coding and stuff. So and no, I cannot open this with one hand. So yeah, 1 second. Ta-da! The laptop is open. So as you can see, after years of using Intel, I am now upgraded to AMD. I don't even know if this is better than AMD or what. Oh, sorry, better than Intel. But yeah, it is what it is, and I believe that this is something good, right? So this is how it is. This is a HP OmniBook 5, a very large trackpad. Okay, so lighting change, it's all dark because the screen is going to turn on. So I was like, let's just dim the room lights. I know this looks very bad, the quality looks bad. That is just because I'm recording in 60 fps. Okay, so as I told you, this is an HP Omen. Okay, and let's just turn it on. So this will be my first time turning it on. It has USB-C charging. Can you believe that? I can, because it's 2025. Let's turn it on. So usually the power key is here, but here there is no power key. The power key is this is the power. So let's press it, and boom. Ooh, very cool. Yo, what is this? The system requires a restart to perform a complete memory training. The computer will take longer to power on. What? Let's press enter on this. Okay, I don't know what that was about. Okay, so now you can see the keyboard. This is how it looks. Come on, focus. Okay, it's starting. Oh, what is this? Powered by, what is this? What on earth is this? I think it says powered by AI experiences. And if you're wondering why I'm talking in English, that is because I'm trying to improve my communication, my pronunciation, and the ability to communicate and express my thoughts in English. As a BTech student, I have to, and oh my god, okay, very bright. Okay, so is this the right country or region? No, I am not from United States yet. So let's just go to India. Can I? Okay, no, I have to go like this. Come on, where is India? You know what, I'll just use the trackpad. Oh, it's very smooth.
To set up your device using a screen reader, turn on narrator by pressing Windows plus Control plus Enter.
Okay.
For more accessibility features, press Windows plus U, or select the accessibility icon in the bottom corner.
Got it, bro. So let's go with India, because Bharat Mata ki jai. Is this the right keyboard layout or input method? So it says US. Wait, let me do it like this. Yeah. So English India I want to select, but I'm just hoping it does not create any problem. I'll just go with US for now. I think that's fine. Do you want to add a second keyboard layout? I have done this before. It's very useless. You'll never use a second keyboard layout. You'll just use this, right? Okay, so let's just skip this. Okay, so now internet. So as you know, Windows 11 does not let you set up locally. So you have to connect to an internet, and then you have to add your Microsoft account. There is a bypass. You can just go and put in some commands and stuff. I'm not going to do any of that because I can just give them my Microsoft account. I have one. So let me just put in the password. Wait. Okay, I think this should work. Okay, so it is not a metered plan. This is a Wi-Fi. It should be considered unmetered and unlimited. So let's go next. So now it will check for updates. Just a moment, checking for updates. Okay, no problem. Check for updates. Oh, okay. I think it's going to restart. No, oops. Okay, so it will always say powered by this thing AI. I am presuming, because it's like this is like an A, this is like an I. I think it's AI experiences only. You can see it here as well. Can you see? So yeah, 2025 AI is everywhere. Come on. Ooh, okay. Okay, so for some reason, after the laptop restarted, the lights went off. So, can I turn them back on? Yeah, I can. Okay, they're back on. So, this is just an agreement, April 2024. It's an outdated agreement. Class action. I know this word because of Saul Goodman. Let's just accept it, because who has the time to read all this? Okay, so let's name your device. Okay, I'm going to keep it simple. I'm just going to call it OmniBook. Okay, should I call it HP OmniBook? Should I call it OmniBook? I think OmniBook is fine. Okay, so this is what I'm calling it, Yuvraj OmniBook, because OmniBook just tells about the device and Yuvraj is just me. So so I'll just say yes to this, and it will restart apparently. Next, and there you go, the restart has begun. Just a moment. Now it will turn back on. I think it's just setting up those files, creating the name. Now I believe that Microsoft login is up ahead, and a little bit inconvenience because I don't really remember my Microsoft password. So I'm just gonna ask it to pass key login so that it can send a notification on my phone and I can just approve that. Or maybe I'll have to reset the password. One of the other things. Let's see which one it is. So it says just a moment. Remove it from charging. Ooh, flashbang. Loading. Didn't you just check for updates? What? Okay, weird. I thought it just checked for updates and now it's like checking for updates again. So I just want to use my laptop. Come on. It doesn't have to be this long. Let's go. What? Wow. It says we are getting you the latest features. Check out what your new Copilot Plus PC is capable of while you wait, and there is nothing. Oh, it is a touchscreen. No way. It is a touchscreen. Crazy shit. Your update is in progress. This could take. Okay, oh wow. Okay, now it is there. So this is a Copilot button. Describe it, find it like magic. Okay. Take action on anything you see. Okay, so like circle to search, Google search, circle to search. Recall, a very controversial update, but okay. Translate and caption audio in video in real time. Okay. Express yourself with Windows Studio Effects. Cool. Okay, we're back. So wow, this is not even moving 1%. I think this is actually going to take a while. So, and now as you can see, as I said, Microsoft is here now. The best class email and calendar. I like Google. Device setup. Okay. PC secure, privacy, yada yada yada. Okay. So let's do this. Sign in. And I will put my email here. Yeah, password it did not ask, it straight away went to passkey. So let's go. Okay, so for some reason the scan thing didn't work, so I had to go the other way. But now that we are in, want to use your face to sign in faster, and yes, this is the thing, it has Face ID. First time in my life trying it out, so I'm gonna turn the lights on so that I can set this up. Oh, your camera works with Windows Hello to recognize you, giving you a simple password free way to verify your identity. Let's go. Fingerprint वाला भी अच्छा रहता, but let's go. Face ID it is. Let's see how it works, if it's even efficient or not, or just typing the pin is easier. I don't know. Let's see. Let's set it up first. That is it. I'm all set. So let's go further. I didn't create a pin yet. Waiting for that. I want to create a pin as well. And here it is. Here it is. So let's create a pin. And the pin is going to be something which I'm not going to tell. Okay. This setup thing has taken very long, but can't really say anything about it. So these are the telemetries, the tracking stuff and everything, which you shouldn't give access to Microsoft, but I'm going to go ahead with it because I don't really care. I'm gonna remove this inking and typing, and personalized offers also I'm gonna get rid of. Diagnostic data, that's all right, man. Come on, they can see into that if they want to. Find my device. I don't really think I'll need this, but come on, it's a nice to have feature. Maybe in, I just hope I never need this. And location, I'm keeping it for weather and stuff, although maybe I don't need it, but I'm just gonna keep it. Chris is gonna be really mad at me. Chris Titus, the guy with the D bloater. But let's go ahead. Okay, so Yuvraj HP, that is my last backup. This is the secondary, this is the this is the laptop I was using to do my programming for the while. This is the i3 10th generation 5-year-old hard disk 8 GB RAM turtle which I brought back to life. But getting out of that, I'm not gonna back it up because I want a fresh install. So use restore backup, experience more options. Oh damn. Okay, so we can see there is this Yuvraj HP, this Yuvraj, then there's this Phoenix. This is the same thing, by the way. It's just because I reinstalled Windows. So, and then there's this. Okay, I'm just gonna set it up as a new PC. Are you sure? Yes, set it up as a new PC, please. Thank you. Okay, register your product. So I'm gonna just allow HP to maintain my device with the best configuration and settings. This may include downloading and updating drivers. That's it. I don't want them to contact me about my system and send me personal offers. No, I don't want them to use my information to improve it. No, and provide me with customer support enabled to HP option contact right. Okay, I'll just take this as well. Okay, let's go ahead. And if you can hear some background noise, I'm really sorry for that. And so I'm gonna use this for development. I'm gonna go for entertainment, no gaming. I'm gonna go for school. I'm gonna go for creativity, no business. And yeah, and yeah, so just ignore the background noise if it's there any. And what is this? Okay, cool. I'm gonna do this right now. Wait. So it has been linked, and moving forward, uh, so backup, and I don't want to keep a backup, so I'm just gonna skip this. I don't want this. Always have access to your recent browsing data. uh Not now. So we have the free version of these apps. We don't have the paid version which we get in India. So Microsoft 2024 you get with all the laptops, not all, but in HP you get with all the laptops, with other brands as well, with Lenovo and all that in India. But for some reason the same laptop in America you don't get those bundled in for some reason. I don't know what reason that is. Maybe Americans don't use these apps as much, but yeah. So I'll have to make do with the uh, desktop version. I don't know what this really means, but yeah. So let's just click on next. Unlock your photographic. So this is the photographic memory, the recall. It was very controversial because they were saying that this has privacy risks and all that. So for now I'm gonna keep this off. I don't really think I need a recall. I mean, what do I really do with a laptop? I just code stuff, and I think GitHub is more than enough for saving my codes. That's it. So I'm not gonna use this. So I'm just gonna go no, don't save, and boom, we are in. So for some reason it has home and gaming up, like that's very dumb, but yeah, this is how it looks. This is the AI button. Let's click on it and Copilot pops up. Ta-da! Here it is. It says sign in for some reason. I don't know why it didn't automatically just take my account. So we'll look into that later. And let's go to the task manager. Here we can see AMD Ryzen AI 7 350 with Radeon 860M. So that's the graphic card. This is the graphic card. It's an integrated one, but it's powerful enough. It is sharing memory with the RAM itself, so you can see it here. And so this is a decent one. It's a good one. There is NPU. For some reason NPU is being used for what? Weird. Then there is this Wi-Fi. This is SSD, 1 TB SSD. Yes, 1 TB SSD I believe. Then there is, what the hell, what, 73% use? I think it's just setting it up, maybe that's why. This is crazy usage, bro. What on earth? I have not even opened a single app. How is my memory 73% used? That's crazy. Oh my god, look at the handles. Oh my god, like 1 lakh, and the processors 220 plus. Okay, we need to do some de-bloating of this. It's pretty bloated, I guess. So yeah, that's it for the day. This is my laptop. Let's lock it and let's see how the face thing works. Oh, it's smooth. That's great. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye. Okay, wait, before we go, let me just show you the camera as well. If I can, camera. Yeah, okay, open. So let me show you the camera of this. Yes, please. Yeah, duh. Oh my god, yes. Okay, so as you can see, this is the camera. It's 1080p, and it's okay. I mean, there is still some noise I can see, but this is still better than 720p. And the IR sensor is right here. This one is the IR sensor. So yeah, thank you for watching. I'm gonna lock it once again and see. Yeah, it works pretty fast. So thank you. Bye bye.